Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready on the edge of your seat? Every small business needs a website that they feel comfortable with and that stands out amongst the crowd. That's why we are putting together this series to teach small business owners and startups just how to make their own premium website. Let's get into it. Let's go, baby! It starts with a look. I'm Paul, the founder of Look Digital Marketing, where we give away a ton of free information on digital marketing and websites to help you succeed online. In this video series, I'm going to show you how to create your own premium website the best way with the best tools that are going to be the easiest for you to use. By watching this video series, you're going to get to skip all the trial and error that other small business owners have had to go through. Yeah, including myself. How dope is that? So let me take you down a trip. A little path, as they say. How's it go? Let me take you on a path called memory lane. Let me take you down a trip. Let's look back at my memories. Let me take you on a trip down memory lane. When I first started Look Digital Marketing, I knew the first thing that I needed was a premium website that I was happy with. So I started researching. I started searching and trying out all those simple options like Wix that seem right, that they market right, but was it really right for my business? After trying all those options, I found that they were too limited and they weren't right for my business. So what does a website need to be? It needs to be fast, secure, branded to perfection, easy to navigate, set up to rank well on search engines, and you want it to perform well on all devices. This is exactly what we do here at Look Digital Marketing, and we're going to pull the curtain away and show you exactly how we get that done and how you can do the same thing easily. Hey, if at any moment during this video you feel like you're getting value out of it, please hit that like button down below. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you. All right, let's take it back to the basics for a second. This isn't all glitz and glamour. There are a few things that you need to do to set up to help build that beautiful website of yours. Now, I want you to picture something. We're going to compare a website to a house. So, you've got a house. It's the beautiful part, right? It's where you invite people in, you entertain them, you teach them things, you have dinner with them, have some wine. But the house is on a property. So the house needs to live somewhere. And the house, for people to be able to find you and visit you, needs to have an address on the front. So, comparing this to the website, the house is the website, is what you've built, what people visit and see. But that website, just like the house, needs to live somewhere. That's called hosting. So you've got a website and it's being hosted somewhere. What else does that house have? It had an address. With the website, the address is your domain name. So before you get building, you need to have hosting and a domain name before you can start building that beautiful website of yours. So before we get to the building, we're going to get that domain name, we're going to get that hosting, and we're going to do that all in the next video. So please, this is the first video in this website series. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything that's coming up. That next video will be up very soon if it's not already, depending on when you're watching this. Thanks again for your time. And let's make your business successful online together. Don't forget, it all starts with a look. That was a blast. If you'd like to see the next video in our series, tap on this video. If you want to see another video with a ton of free content and information, hit on that video. Have a good one and keep being amazing.